guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Susie and today I'm making kettle corn popcorn. Up until a month ago, I honestly had no idea a thing like kettle corn popcorn existed until my boyfriend bought a bag of kettle corn popcorn, the sweet and salty type, and it was like love at first bite. So in one sitting, I ate the entire bag, and then I'm like, oh, this is really good, I want more. So we drove to 5 different grocery stores to try and get more, and we couldn't find the type we're looking for. So when I finally found the sweet and salty at Target, it was like $3 per bag, and I'm just like, this is freaking insane. Like, I'm not gonna pay $3 for a bag of popcorn. I was like, I'm gonna find a recipe so I can make this at home and save some coins. So I did a quick Google search and stumbled upon this recipe by Bacon Mischief, and she really did a good job explaining the process, and she also gives you a bunch of good tips to help you make this successfully at home. So what you need a huge pot. So popcorn, when it pops, it expands. Like, they start really small, but when it expands, or when it pops, it expands. So you want to give yourself a lot of volume and room to work with. So I'm using white corn, but anything you have at home should work. I'm also using some avocado oil, and this is just because it has a high smoke point. But you can also go ahead and use any oil that you have in your house. And we're also going to need some sugar. She recommended using brown sugar if you want a more caramel-like flavor. And then you're also going to need some salt, but I'm actually going to skip this. I just use sugar when I make my kettle corn popcorn. And then the last but not the least, you're gonna need a bowl to transfer your popcorn after you're done popping. So you wanna make sure this is ready, because as soon as we're done popping the popcorn, you wanna quickly transfer our popped corn into our bowl. So with that, let's go ahead and move over to the stove. First thing I'm going to do is turn on my stove, and I'm gonna set it to medium high. And I'm going to go ahead and transfer 2 tablespoons of my oil to the pot, and then I'm going to toss in 3 kernels. We're gonna give it a good shake, and then we're just gonna put the lid on. Now we're gonna wait for all 3 to pop, and once they popped, we're going to transfer all of the kernels into the pot, as well as the sugar. And if you're using salt, go ahead and add the salt as well. We're going to give it a good shake. And you want to make sure the pot isn't closed all the way. Once your popcorn is done popping and you know it's ready when there's maybe more than a 3-second wait between each pop, you want to go ahead and quickly transfer it into your bowl, otherwise it will burn. So the sugar burns very quickly, so you want to go ahead and transfer it to your bowl right away so your popcorn doesn't burn. And after that, you're going to have some delicious kettle corn popcorn that is very crispy. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It is so crispy and so delicious. What I love about this is you can make a few batches, and once you let them cool down, you can transfer it into a Ziploc bag, and then you can have a snack for a week or 2. So that means you're going to be saving yourself some money, because you don't have to depend on your grocery store for your kettle corn popcorn. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.